The set position for the 1v1 situation changes slightly. Now you bring your foot forwards in what I call a positive set position, meaning that you are on the front foot ready to react to any through balls that can come through. When involved in a football match, you will be watching the opposing team and seeing when they will be ready to play the ball forwards. When you anticipate this, get yourself into that positive set position. Once you've closed down the player and the ball, you will need to set in a low position. Feet shoulder width apart, hands low and in front of the shins. The smothering technique. The most important aspect of this is to keep yourself safe, as you'll be diving at people's feet. In this exercise, you'll be kneeling in front of the ball. You will roll the ball forwards and you will smother to that side, keeping your head behind your hands. Now in this one, you'll do a press up, then pounce on the ball, keeping your head behind the hands. Start in the middle of your box with the ball on one side and then shuffle back towards the cone and attack the ball with both hands. With the block technique, you'll be using your whole body to create a barrier to protect the goal. You'll use your knees, your hands and your chest, making sure that your chest is square to the ball, and when turning your foot, you turn it 90 degrees to keep the biggest part of your foot as the barrier. With the spread, you'll be making yourself as big as possible at full stretch, turning that nearest foot 90 degrees towards the ball and your trailing leg as low to the floor as possible, even doing the splits if you can. Keep your hands to the sides and outstretched and your head and your shoulders over the top of the ball. To develop the block, start on your knees with the ball in front of you and slightly to the side. Bring the nearest foot up at 90 degrees, keep those arms outstretched and your shoulders and head over the ball. Repeat the last exercise, but this time place the ball further away. This will create a larger step needed to extend your leg and hopefully get you into that close to a split position. Keep your arms outstretched and your head and shoulders over the top of the ball. In this next exercise, you will need 4 cones and you will need to number them 1, 2, 3 and 4. Four cones, 1, 2, 3 and 4. 2, 3, 1, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. In the next exercise, the goalkeeper will need 2 balls and have to be in the set position about 5 yards away. The goalkeeper will move forwards and then decide which ball to attack using the block technique. You can continue this using the spread technique as well. In the next clips, you will see a progression to the last drill. The goalkeeper will move forwards, block one and then block another. Or we can block one and then spread, don't fall like I did. Finally, you can block one ball and then smother the second ball.